Alright, what's going on, everybody? So, found myself in Nuevo Laredo again. Laredo, Texas. Getting ready to pick up a load. Got to drop off my empty trailer, pick up another trailer. My student's feeling pretty bold. He was like, let me back up. Don't tell me what to do, let me do it. Like, okay, go for it. Just don't hit nothing. I can already see now his setup is all off. He ain't gonna make that. Look at all them bugs on my truck. Messed up. That warm weather down here in Texas. Well, the trailer's gonna go in, but I don't think he's gonna get that truck around. I let him go for it a little bit before I stop him. Pretty close to this reefer unit, as you see. And that truck still got a pretty good bend on it. So he ain't gonna have no room to swing it around. But he can pull up and fix it. We'll see if he does that. Too close to everything, getting me nervous. I'm gonna have to yell at him. Hey man, I'm so nervous to drop my phone. Let's hope he watches his mirrors, because too close to this reefer unit over here. As of now, I'm looking at him and he's only looking out the driver's side. Alright, now he's looking out this side. You're too close, you're not gonna make that. You see what you're doing wrong? For one, not pulling up right. But it's good he want to do it on his own. Shows he really wants to learn, not like other guys who just want you to tell him what to do. And not gonna make that either. back, turn it back. There you go. Finally doing the snake maneuver. Oh. Now that was good. Now back it up right. Let's see if he can do it. Make sure nobody don't pull out in front of him. Hey, what? No, don't help him. He's learning. Okay, he finally got it going right. But this looks similar to the load we're getting. It's down a little ways. We gotta drop this trailer and go down there, pick it up. We're just getting a bunch of steel beam building components that we're getting ready to pick up. You set the trailer brakes? You can turn the truck off. We're gonna be a minute. All right, we got unhooked and everything. I purposely set him up with the wood just like hanging there, just to see how gentle he can be bobtail driving over to my next trailer. See if he gonna knock it over or not. And I made it kind of wobbly, so we'll test out his bobtail driving skills. See how good he do. More prime drivers. We got flatbed drivers everywhere today down here. About 5 or 6 of us. Caterpillar loads already strapped down, coming straight out of Mexico. All we have to do is pretty much check the straps and make sure everything's good to go. If we need to put an extra strap on anywhere, we can. But other than that, we don't have to do anything but just pick up the load and go with it. One of the very few loads that we have like that. Well, of course, if somebody else secures it, you need to double check it for sure. Make sure everything's good to go. Because the last thing you want is to get headed down the road and when something comes undone or is loose because you didn't check it. That's a big piece of heavy equipment or machine parts and stuff that can just fall off. Kill somebody or definitely make a big damage to something. He's so nervous right now. Get to walking on down here. Our trailer was so far away. We got a lot of loads here today. AC units. Guess everybody been hitting them butterflies. That's my load. bunch of crap. Only weighs 18,000 pounds though, which is fairly light. Looks really heavy though. All this steel, and man, are they loaded all kinds of crazy. This sucks. I'm about to use straps everywhere. Because I see little short ones up on top, different places, and loose ones all over the place. Kind of loads I don't like. Make sure you're even and straight on both sides. One foot on brake, one on gas. Be nice and gentle. Both of your mirrors, make sure you're even. You look like you're pretty crooked. Why don't you pull up and straighten yourself up? Pull up and straighten yourself up. Lip to jump over right there on uneven ground. It sucks. Making him rock really hard. Hey, always do a tug test on your trailer. Make sure it's hooked. I don't think it's hooked. One, I'm looking right at the pin and it didn't snap in. Or did it? It might have. But always do a tug test on your trailer. Oh, there it goes. Just snap. Or it didn't snap in. Good thing. You don't want to let that landing gear up and it didn't snap. You go to pull out. Whole trailer drops on the ground. Alright, here we go. Now it's time to get this bad boy secured. Have to break out my ladder and get all up on top, climbing around everywhere. This is gonna be not fun at all. We're gonna see how it goes. So I'm up here straightening up my strap, and look at it. This kind of stuff I don't like. This is like super loose. That's one little piece. So I gotta make sure I get a strap over that. And that's a part of all of these. So I have to have a strap over this one. I need to get another strap over that one. And this is really, I can't really lift it up because of that wire or whatever is holding it. But it's the same on the back. You walk back here, you got all these little loose pieces that are just kind of sitting up here. I hate all these small pieces. That if you gotta get a strap over them. You gotta pay attention to what's up here, because nothing holding them. And the way they're all so loose, that strap ain't gonna suck them all tight either. So loads like this suck. Just gotta put a ton of straps and make sure you get them everywhere and be careful, because they're never gonna be enough. And this steel will cut through your straps, so you gotta make sure you got edge protectors on everything. Got my handy dandy ladder, which got me up here. But just thought I'd show you guys the top of this load. Freaking pallet up here of pretty much loose components. Okay, so far up here on top, it's kind of view from the top. Looking down, anything that's short stacked, loose, I put 2 straps over it. I'm standing on top of this one right now, but you can kind of see I got 2 on it. And then that pallet right up there, I got 2 over it. Then I'm throwing a bunch over the top. Haven't got them all over it. Then I'm gonna add some belly straps, but haven't got that far, trying to get everything over the top so far. But I'm sitting up pretty high right now, so give you guys a view of the freaking storm that's right around us, all around. It's raining. I gotta hurry up and get out of here before I get soaked. Just looking down on everybody in their trailers and loads and mine. Okay, so I did not run the rain. As you can see, it is pouring down on me right now. Just finished strapping everything down. Should be pretty good and tight. I got a ton of straps over the top. I got a belly strap there, got a belly strap there, and a whole bunch over the top. Kind of soaking wet right now. I'm gonna have to jump in the truck and change clothes immediately. Just what happens sometime on the flatbed side. Let you guys look at me and see. I didn't even get time to put on my rain gear. Soaking wet. Just flatbed fun. It's all fun here. This is what we do. Welcome to our world. Thanks for watching. As always, see you guys on the next load. Don't forget to subscribe below.